What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency tutorial video. And you guys might remember a few months back I did a YouTube video going over how to use the Binance Futures platform, and I received a lot of feedback about that video. One of them, you said that you couldn't see my mouse cursor on where I was currently pressing. Some of you found it a bit confusing, so I've decided I'm going to do a part 1 and part 2. Part 1 being that I'm going to show you just how to place a buy or long order on the futures platform, and the part 2 how to place a short order. But before I jump in this video, guys, if you could do me a favor and go give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys. If you want to keep up to date with my trades and analysis and cryptocurrency use, the only place to find that is on my free Telegram. So go and give that a follow. The link is in the description. Also, just want to show you one of the recent trades that we took on the Telegram page was a short from 11,500 back to 11,250, took some profit, and then currently we're targeting the CME close gap at 11,100. So if you want to keep up to date on what I am currently trading, the only place is on my free Telegram. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to have to open a Binance account, and you're going to want to select the Binance Futures. It's going to ask you for a referral code if you have one. I'm going to leave my referral code in the description if you want to have some kind of discount on the fees using the platform. Once you've transferred USDT to your spot wallet, all you're going to have to do is come back down here to transfer, and all you do is you transfer USDT from your spot wallet into your USDT futures. And then once you've done that transfer, you're going to have your balance up here on the right hand side. My current balance is 1082 because this is just a practice account to show you guys how to use the platform. The second thing I would do, guys, before you place any trades is select the amount of leverage you want to be trading with. So in my opinion, if you're a beginner, I would select between 1 and 5x leverage. What does leverage mean? Say, for example, you've got $10. Place your leverage at 10, it means you be trading using $100. Also, what does that mean on the negative side? You can also lose your money 10 times as fast. The losses will be amplified by 10x as well. So like I said, if you're a beginner, just use between 1 to 5x. If you're more advanced, then you could use 10 to 25, but anything after that, then simply, in my opinion, you are just gambling. Second thing you want to choose is either isolated or cross. I get this question, what is cross, what is isolated, what is better? I mean, to be honest, if you're a beginner, isolated is the best margin mode to use because you can't lose more than the position that you've opened. If you do use cross leverage, if you have other trades currently open and one's going negative in 100%, it will start taking your balance from other trades and the other valuable balance you happen to keep your position open. So like I said, the next thing you want to be doing is placing is isolate, especially if you're beginner. Confirm. So that is our leverage sorted, that is our margin mode sorted. So next thing, you want to be placing a buy order. So here all you want to be doing is buy long. As you can see, buy long here if you're going to be open a buy or long position. There's two ways to do it. We can do a limit order. So for example, if you said you want to place a long order at 11,000, all you're going to do is here is press 11,000 as the price you want to be getting, and here you're going to choose the amount of you want to get in. So the way I do is I use the cursor. You can use up to 25% of your position, 50% of your position, or your whole position that you've got currently of your valuable funds in your futures account. For this video, we're going to use 15% of our position. I'm going to press buy long, and what's going to happen, and then you're going to be able to see an open order down here. So the limit is 11,000. So if price does hit $11,000, a buy order of 0.001 of BTC will be open as a long position. So next way, if you want to get into the trade there and then and you just want to open, so from that point I suggest what you do. So if you want to cancel this, all you do here is you press cancel, And then if you want to get into the trade straight away, all you're going to do is press a market order. The only downside about market order, it will just give you the best possible price it can find. Sometimes you can get slippage and you can automatically be in slightly negative or sometimes even positive depending on the order books, because the BTC liquidity is quite a liquid market compared to other altcoins. So it's usually not too bad in my opinion. So again, so I'm going to open 15% of my current available balance, which will be $1.13. It now allows you to set a take profit and stop loss immediate straight away before you open this position. So for example, I'm buying along, so I want to be taking profit at 12,000, and also my stop loss I'm getting right in now 11,312. If price goes below 11,000, I want this to close my position. So we press the buy long, and what you'll be able to see is now I have an open order. So I have a current position open on 10x BTC buy order. The size is 0.001. Entry price is 11,313. My liquidation price is 10,220. So if it goes to that amount, I'll be completely liquidated. And here it gives me my current P&L. And some people said, how do you work out your profit and loss? So Binance have this calculator here again. So for example, we entered 10x. My entry price was 11,300. And if I want to calculate how much profit I'm going to come up with, so I'm going to go 12,000. And the position was 0.001 if I'm not mistaken. So my P&L, so I'll end up with 70 cents as profit. And again, if my exit price is, so obviously I have a close order at 11,000. So I just want to show you. So I've got the calculator here. So again, we select 10x long. Our entry price was 11,300. Our exit price would be 11,000 as our stop loss. And then we have 0.001, and this will calculate how much loss. So our max loss will be 30 cents. If our price of 11,000 gets triggered, that will be my loss. So that, using a calculator, you can work out your profit and loss, and currently won't be in as you open your position. So once again, guys, I hope that made a lot more sense on how to open a buy order on the Binance Futures platform. So you either set a limit, a market, always set your take profit and stop loss, always select. This is so important, guys. I can't emphasize this enough, especially with the stop loss, guys. Do not go into a trade without placing a stop loss. And as your position gets into profit, you can reduce your stop loss until your stop loss is in profit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and watch out for the part 2, which will be covering how to place a short position or a sell position. Please leave any feedback in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think. If this video made a lot more sense on how to use the Binance platform, I'll be happy to answer any questions within the comment section. Also, don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram, and if you do decide to sign up to Binance Futures, please feel free to use my referral code. It gives you a 10% discount on all the fees. So thank you once again for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and I'll see you guys on part 2. Crypto Chris over and out.